Time to get down and dirty, Lightning! Oh my god!
Code heavy.
Massive excavator threat. Extreme lift capacity. Need air superiority and anti-hydraulic weapons.
Chase, we need to stabilize the area and contain flying debris. Use the reinforced net.
Ruff, ready to move the earth.
Containment secured. Iron Man, we need an opening to breach the reservoir. It's too small for your weapons.
Heads up, Buckethead.
Path clear for the drone.
Racer secured and stabilized. Thanks. Next time, I'm bringing my own suit of armor.
Speed is still better than digging.